This is a demonstration of the Assent mobile applications which can manage stores that hire and sell goods. This demonstration includes a hypothetical business that hires cars and sell liquors. Download the app Assent from Google Play or App Stores as indicated in the URL, and when you download it you will get the following screen. Each business will have its own set of keys which will be provided. This demonstration uses a hypothetical business for which we have created the keys. Just to make sure that the keys are there, click on Save Server Keys and check. Once you see the keys there, everything is okay, and click Save the keys and restart the app. The first step for the owner of the business is to create an account for himself or herself. So click on Create Account and enter all the information required and press Sign Up. When you press Sign Up, if you are the first user of this application for this set of keys, you will be asked a series of questions, a series of checkboxes that you need to tick that you will take responsibility for the cloud account. And then you will be set as the owner. As you're the first person, you will be the owner. And when you create the account, you will get an email for which you need to go and confirm from your email account. For this demonstration, I have created an owner account who is the first user into the system called Test 100, and Test 101 who is a client who is going to use the services of the business. I'm going to log in as the owner. Because I'm the owner, I get these additional options here. I get the additional options that only the owner is allowed. Okay, if you want to toggle the buttons disappear or appear so that it gives you a clear picture of the images, and each of these buttons provide additional functionality which we will see now. So as an owner, you can create a category. Any of these categories have all these categories have been created here. And then once you create a category, you can add products here. And each product has this description and the rate, and then you can add any number of images to that. Once you finish adding the categories and the products for the categories, you can have hire items or sale items or both. So this business has both items. You can look at the item details by clicking on this button and then clicking on this image, and then if you want you can add additional images. If you choose the hire button, then the rate here it will be the daily rate, whereas if you choose a purchase, it's just the rate and then any description there. If it's not in stock, you need to uncheck this so that it will not be displayed to the customer. If you want to see the login information, you need to click on the first button at the bottom on the left hand side, and you will get that information here, and you can reset the password. For the owner, we have two additional administration options. That is, one is export the booking and the sale information to a spreadsheet. So if you select here, choose the date, start date and end date, and say export. When you first create the owner information, the system captures this information about the owner. So you can give the name of the business, your PayPal key, because the credit card processing is done by PayPal, your telephone, your mobile number, your currency so that it can be used anywhere, and your state tax. And if you want to take it offline for some reason, you can take it offline so that no bookings will be done. And this option, receive text on order, is an option if you're having only few orders. You might like to receive the text as soon as the order is placed on your mobile. And if you don't want it, you can switch this off. And the view days, the days to view for orders is the number of days you want to set for the when you view the orders in the next explanation I'm going to give. It is assumed now that some customer has placed the orders and you want to fulfill the orders from the warehouse. To do this, you need to look at the orders that you have received. To do this, click on the last button at the bottom on the right hand side, when you will get all the orders displayed. The number of orders displayed will be based on the number of days you have set in the owner settings. However, to filter it, you can say, I would like to view the orders placed today only. Then you make the number of days equal to 0, and then you can say not shipped. Then you will get the orders that were created today and that are not shipped. Then you look at the details. Then you click on this. Click on the price and you will get the image, and then you can go to the warehouse, pick up that, and then if you want to see the address of the person to whom you have to write the shipping information, you will get this information here, and then you can fulfill the orders or ask your fulfillers to do that. So this demonstration concludes the owner activities. So we see how easy it is to manage your stores for that hires and sells goods on over the mobile devices.